Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add recovery email to Google account. If you're using any Google account and you want to add a recovery email to your account, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your account from here. And on this screen, just click on your account profile picture or your Google account here. Just click on manage your Google account and you just have to scroll down. And on this screen, just select security and sign in option. Just scroll down and you'll see the option of recovery email. Just select this option, and here at the very first, before you continue, you might have to enter your Google account password. And here on this screen, you can easily add your recovery email. Just click on add recovery email and then enter your email here. So let me enter my one. So once you have entered your mail address, just click on save. So it will save your recovery email. You just have to wait for verification code. So the verification code will be sent to your mail address you have entered. So you just have to wait for that and enter the code here. And once you have entered your recovery email code, just click on verify. And once you have done, your recovery email is now added. Now you just have to go to your Google account and you have to check if it added. Just scroll down and here you must see your recovery email address. So in this way, you can easily add a recovery email to your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.